One of the top questions we get is how soon will I feel a difference in my libido after starting hormone therapy? Let's walk through it together. The truth is, there's a timeline and it's different for everyone, but there are general milestones we walk our patients through. Hey everyone, I'm Rosalind at Rejuvime Medical, and we're all about transparency when it comes to your health journey. At Rejuvime, we believe in setting realistic expectations and celebrating small wins along the way, because consistency is key when it comes to hormone therapy. In the first 1 to 2 weeks, most people notice subtle changes like better sleep, more energy, or less brain fog. These early signs mean your hormones are starting to shift in the right direction. By weeks 4 through 6, as your hormone levels stabilize, many patients start to feel emotionally connected, interested in intimacy again, and more like themselves. We often hear patients say, "I didn't even realize how much I'd checked out emotionally until now." That renewed interest and motivation is a powerful turning point. By 8 to 12 weeks, we often see bigger improvements like restored confidence, stronger relationships, and yes, even a healthier, more consistent libido. It's not just about sex, it's about energy, intimacy, and enjoying life again. Everybody is different, and we customize each plan based on your labs, symptoms, and lifestyle. That's what makes hormone therapy work long-term. The more open and consistent you are with your care plan, the better your outcomes will be. That's why we stay in touch and tweak your plan along the way. If you're ready to feel the difference for yourself, we're here to guide you every step of the way. Book your consultation with Rejuvime Medical today.